Hey guys, it's about 8 o'clock p.m. Monday evening. I just came in the house and this came in the mail today. Boom, GoPro 9. I know a lot of you aren't tech guys or you're not interested in it with me, but I'm not going to do reviews on it and stuff like that, but I'm just letting you know I got it. Comes in a little handy dandy hard case. There it is. Of course, the GoPro 8 that I'm filming on now, I have the media mod on it, which has the microphone. GoPro's out of it for this, so I don't have it. So we're probably not going to be shooting much video with it until they get their media mods in so that I've got an external mic. But I was wanting to shoot some video with this GoPro 9. Now I don't have the media mod on it because GoPro's out. So it's just using the microphones it has on it. So just bear with me till the media mod comes out. But this is a bathroom that we are tiling right now. This is one of them. I've got two bathrooms going. I'll show you it later this afternoon. That's a board I cut to hold that piece of tile up yesterday while it was drying the glue on it, thin set. But I'm going to show you just a little bit of the tools we're using today. Because I got two tiling jobs going in two different places and I didn't want to haul the tiling saw back and forth, I brought the old Rigid out of retirement. Now this thing's been around a while and I told Jeff to be easy with it when he cuts. You can see, I don't know if that's the camera's picking up, it's got a little bit of slop in it, you know, where it's wore down here on the tracks, but this has been an old faithful saw. Saw is on the job, so we don't have to haul them back and forth on the other job, which we'll go there later this afternoon. What I've been doing is working here till lunch, and then after lunch going to the other job. You can see Jeff's mixing up some thin set. He's using the Milwaukee mixer. Now he switched and went with the smaller diameter stir. He said he liked that better. And you're liking the mixer okay, aren't you, Jeff?
Oh yeah.
Yep. Yeah, we're liking it. We always use the Dieter set for our tile. I like that real well. Okay. Turn it up one more. There's Max right there. It was on 400. There you go.
Water.
But Jeff keeps that tool clean. That's one of my pet peeves, I guess, is at the end of the day when we get done with tools to wipe them down with a damp cloth, dry them off. Well, you can kind of see where kind of what we got going on. We moved along pretty good. Jeff does a good job taking care of my tools. We're gonna head to the other place where I'm doing some tile work out there. I've got to wash the floor a little bit. We're gonna put a couple washings on that. It's Friday. We've had a long, hard week this week, and we're gonna call it quits, but we'll see you out there. All right, we at house tile job number 2. You can see the cobalt saw. I've got it out here. So here is job number 2. It's gonna be tiling this shower. And I grouted this yesterday. Put some grout in here and between these pebbled rocks. I just need to put a couple washings on it today. And then next week I'll start laying the tile. Gonna be pretty when it gets the final wash on it, and then we get the sealer on it. It's gonna be pretty. Well, I just put another washing on it. I'm gonna walk away from it for the weekend. I appreciate y'all letting me kind of make a video about nothing, just to use my new GoPro 9 camera. But I did show you a few tools that we're using. I hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Remember, God loves you. Jesus died for you. I really enjoy being with you, making these videos. And I thank you and I appreciate your support and giving me thumbs up. Y'all have a blessed day.